A very good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to Maths online class. Dear children, today we are going to discuss about 6th class Maths FA1 revision. First one, which is the greatest among the group of numbers? Here, greatest and smallest among the group of numbers. Among the group of given numbers, which is the greatest and which is the smallest can we find out. Here, when we find out greatest and smallest number, first we have to observe how many places are there in each number. Here, each number having 5 places. Each number having 5 digits, 5 places are there. So, then we have to go to check 10,000's place, left side onwards. 10,000's place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Each number having 10,000's place only, no? So, each number having 5 digits. So, we have to check the place of 10,000. The place of 10,000. Here, first number having 10,000 place 1, 1, 1, 1. All are same number. Next, we have to go to check here thousands digit. 5, 5, 5, 5. Thousands digit also same. Then we have to go to check hundreds digit. 4, 8, 3, 5. 4, 8, 3, 5. 4, 8, 3, 5 digits are there in the hundreds place. Hundreds place. In these all, which is the greater? 80 only, no? 8 number 8 only, no? Greater one. So, which is the number having in hundreds place 8? 15,892. The greatest number is 15,892, right? 15,892. Now, we have to find out which is the smallest number. Here, 4, 8, 3, 5 numbers. Which one is smaller? 3 only, no? So, which number having the place of hundreds? 3. This one. Okay? This is the smallest number. Smallest number. Smallest number is 15,370. Okay? First you have to check how many places are there in each number. Then you have to check the place of last place. 10,000 we have to check. Then that is equal all numbers. We have to go to check thousands digit. Here also same numbers. So then we have to go to check hundreds digit. Which is the greater one? That is greatest number. Which is the smaller one? That is the smallest number among these all group. Next, second one. Look here children. Here 34,895, 34,891, 34,809, 34,893. These 4 numbers also having 5 digits, 5 place values. 5 means 10,000s, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. In these all, first we have to find out greatest, then smallest number. Okay? First we have to check the place of 10,000s. 1, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4 numbers having same digit. Next we have to go to check thousands place. 4, 4, 4, 4. Thousands place also equal. Next hundreds. 8, 8, 8, 8. Hundreds place also equal. Then we have to go to check tens place. 9, 9, 0, 9. So 9, 9, 0, 9. 0. Which is the 0? That is smaller one, no? So smallest number. Smallest number is 34,809. Okay, next Here these three numbers having in the place of tens place equal no these three numbers 5 1 3 5 1 3. In this all which is the greater one? 5 1 3 5 1 3. So 5 only greater number now. So 34,895 is the greatest number. Greatest number is 34,895. Here the place of tens 0 is there now. That's why we have to choose this smallest number, right? This like we have to find out greatest and smallest numbers. Is it clear everybody? Next, write the given numbers ascending order and descending order. What is the ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Okay? Descending order means big to small. Right? Here, given numbers 375, 1475, 15,951. First we have to find out here ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. Look here children. Ascending order means small to big. Here which is the smaller number? Here also you have to check how many places are there each number. Which is the having less places, that is smaller one. Okay, which is the having less places? 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits. Which number having less digits? 375 one, no? So this is the smaller one. 375. Next 1475. Next 15,951. Next we have to find out descending order. Descending order. What is descending order? Big to small, quite opposite of ascending order. So which is the greater number? That number we have to write first. 15,951, 1475, 375. This like we have to find out given numbers. We have to write in order, ascending order and descending order, right? Next, put the appropriate symbol. So here also you have to check places only, dears. Look here, first one 3854. How many digits are there here? This number having 4 digits, here 5 digits. Which number having more digits? 5 digits only, no? So this is the greatest number. 15,200 is greater one than the 3,854. Right? Next, second one 19,800, 18,934. Here both numbers having same digits. Then what we do next? So both numbers are equal. That's both numbers are same digits. That's why we have to check the place of 10,000's place. So 1. Both numbers are same in 10,000's place. Next we have to check thousands digit. 9, 8. Which is the greater one here? 9 only greater one, no? So this is the symbol we have to choose, right? This like we have to put appropriate symbol. Write numbers in words. Write these numbers in words. This is 6-digit number. How to write in words? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So this number write in words as 4 lakh 86,000 4,86,300 374. 4,86,374. Okay, next write in short forms. Write in short form. When you write in short form, you have to add it or ones place, tens, 3 digit no hundreds, 4 digits thousands, 5 digits 10,000s. Ones place onwards we have to write ones, 6, tens, hundreds in 2, thousands in 7, 10,000s 4. So this like we have to write or addition also possible. Okay, this like we have to find out short form. Write in short form. Expanded form, write in short form. Next, round off the nearest 10. 89 is there no? 2 digit number, ones, tens. So 89 in between 80 to 90, no? 80 to 90. Okay. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Which number is nearest 10 to the 89? Which tens, 90 or 89? 90 or 80? 89 very near to 90. Very near to 90, no? So 89 nearest 10 is 90. So 51 nearest 10. 51 in between to 50 and 60. Okay, 50 and 60. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, right? 57, 58, 59. 51 very near to 50, very far to 60. So 51 is very near to 50. 51 nearest number is, nearest 10 is 50, right? This like we have to find out nearest 10. Very far 60. Here very near 50. 89 nearest 10 is 90. Very far 80. So this like we have to find nearest tens. Expanded form. Write in expanded form. So here this is the 5 digit number. First we have to write place value wise ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, now expand this. 3 is in 10,000s, no? 3 into 10,000 plus 0 in thousands place, no? Whatever place it may be, when we multiplied any number by 0, we have to get it is 0. The product is 0. 0 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 4 into 1, right? 10,000s are 30,000 plus 0 into 1000 0 plus 2 into 100 200 plus 1 tens are 10 plus 4. So 30,214 equal to 30,000 plus 0 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4. Next 46,724. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 4 is in 10,000s place, no? 4 into 10,000 plus 6 is in thousands place, so 6 into 1000. Next 7 is in hundreds place, 7 into 100 plus 2 is in tens place, no? 2 into 10 plus 4 into 1. 4 10,000s are 40,000 plus 6 thousands are 66,000, sorry. Next 700s are 700, 2 tens are 20, plus 4 ones are 4. 46,724 equal to 40,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 4. Right? This like we have to expand given number. Next, write the numbers using commas according to international system and Indian system. We know, we learnt very well Indian system and international system. Right? This number we have to write now Indian system and international system using commas, according to commas. How many digits are there given number? 1, 2, 3. We have to write the places of Indian system. So, what are the places of Indian system? Ones, tens, Indian system. Okay, first this number separate place value wise. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay, in Indian system lakhs, after 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore will come, no? Right. How to put commas? 48, 76, 37, 23. In Indian system, how to put commas, how to keep commas? 100 digit after keep 1 comma. Next thousands digits. Now next lakhs digit. This number write in words as, so 4 in crores place, no? 4 crores, 4 crore, 87 lakhs, 87 lakhs, 4 crore, 87 lakhs, 63,000, 63,000, 63,723. 723. 23. Okay, first you have to separate place value wise, then keep commas as per system. Here Indian system, no, we have to keep same like as Indian system commas. Then write number name. Next, same this number write as international system. This is international system. How to write places are in international system? 4, 8, 7, 6, 3, 7, 2, 3. Okay, in international system places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million. Okay, this number, how to keep commas? Every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. In international system, every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. This number write in words as 48 million, 48 million, 763,000, 763,723. 723. This like we have to write in international system. Okay. Exercise 1.5. The number of people who visited games village during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290, 14,181, 14,235 and 10,578. Find the total number of people who visited in 4 days in these 4 days. Okay. So you have to first write steps. After that arrange in order. Then you have to add it, right? So solution. Now number of people visited in Commonwealth Games. Day 1. How many people attended? Day 1 15,290. Second day 14,181. Third day 14,235. Fourth day 10,578. This like arrange all in one order. Then you have to add. So these 4 days 54,284 people attended the Commonwealth Games, right? Next, second one. In Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes and defeated candidate got 3,52,768. By how many votes did the winner win the election? Here, first number of votes winner. How many votes got winner? You know that. Next, number of votes defeated candidate got. When we subtract elected candidate votes minus defeated candidate votes, we have to answer. We have to get answer. So solution. Number of votes in the winner got. Number of votes the winner got 5,87,500. Number of votes defeated candidate got 3,52,768. Now subtract these two. We have to get difference. What is this difference? How many more votes got winner by the defeated candidate? By the defeated candidate 2,34,732 votes more votes get the elected candidate by defeated candidate. Next, a bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycle a day. The total number of bicycles the month of July manufactured. How many total number of vehicles manufactured in the month of July? How many days are there in the July? The month of July 31. So one day how many cycle manufactured the bicycle company? 3,125 bicycles. So number of bicycles made in 31 days. One day 3,125 bicycles made. So how many bicycles? The month of July. So 3,125 into 31, 96,875 is answer. So this like we have to find out problem solving. Thank you children. This is the portion of FA1. First chapter only will come in FA1 exam. Prepare well of you. All the best.